This is the BlendJet portable blender. As you can see, you're able to put your fruits and your veggies here, and you would press this button and you would be able to blend everything for you. It's literally the size of a cup. So this is like a full smoothie size. So put your water in, put a little bit of ice. I've only done it with little. I'm too scared to put a lot. Put your fruits and your veggies, and it's definitely the perfect way. You would be saving so much money by using this instead of just buying your smoothies. It does come with a charger, but it doesn't come with a port. So you would have to need the port that accepts a USB. It does self-clean. All you have to do is just add soap and water and blend it. It'll be able to rinse out, and then you're ready to go. I've used this for making smoothies, making myself some cocktails. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely easier. You can also make your protein shakes, milkshakes, even some like dressing and sauces. So yeah, highly recommend.